again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I have got Colorfuljuly's January Posh box, which is their monthly mystery box, subscription box. A little late getting this out, but I've been super busy. The card came separate this month, so every month you get the Colorfuljuly. Oh gosh, you're very far in. The Colorfuljuly card with all their social media on, if you want to go and check them out. So like I always do, I'm just going to give you a quick sneak peek, and then I'm going to move it off to the side. Oh wow, what's this? Feels like gloves. I think it might be gloves. There you go, there's your sneak peek. So let's move it off. I totally forgot my desk. My camera hates this desk. So let's see what we got. Oh yes, we've got gloves. Oh, look at these fancy pants things. So let's have a look at these. Oh, these are nice. Yeah, these are nice. They're not bad ones. They look like they've got nice short fingers. I find with a lot of these UV gloves, they're too long and they cover my nails. So let's have a look at these ones. Oh, these are alright. These are nice. Yeah, a lot of these UV gloves, they're like that long on me and I have to keep pushing them back. These have got nice short little fingers. They're a good fit. They always look big on me because my hands are tiny, but they're alright. Not bad at all. Right, so we got some gloves. So I always kind of start with stickers, don't I? Very pretty. Could use them for bonfire night. We've got black roses. We've got drippy butterflies, drippy hearts, and a bit of barbed wire. And then we've got the reflective. These are reflective. Let's have a look. Look at that. Very sparkly. And then we've got some gold hearts. I feel like I've had these a couple of times this year in the Colorfuljuly boxes, if I'm being honest. I do. I feel like I've had them a couple of times. And the roses. Right, we have got a buffer, 100, 180. Oh, that feels alright. That feels alright. And we've got a 100, 180 file. Okay, you can never have enough files and buffers. Right, we've got a brush. Guys, I don't know if I keep forgetting to mention, you can use my discount code on these boxes now. A lot of the time, mystery boxes, because they're already heavily discounted, codes don't work. Well, my code, I have been told, works on these boxes. So if you type Aggie15 at checkout, you should get 15% off your order. Oh, so this is a wax picker. I got one of these recently off Temu. And you can buy refills for these as well. So that's your wax picker on that end. And then on this end is the thing you use to push them around. I like that it's got a lid. I do like that. Right, we've got a rhinestone glue again. I'm going to say it as it is, guys. I think this is the third one I've had this year in these mystery boxes. But I do get through this stuff a lot. So, right, we have got... What is it? Adhere. Oh, mixing gel. Alright. Yeah, I had one of these off them earlier in the year. And you use these. It's just a plain, clear gel that you use. You can mix... Oh, gosh. Yeah, you can mix glitters in with... Oh, this is different. This is a thicker one. You can mix glitters in with it, pigments in with it, and just make your own gels and stuff like that. We have got some rhinestones. Oh, this... Oh, my first thoughts was, ooh, they're brown. But these are nice. Look at this little star. It's almost opal. It's like a milky opal kind of. And it's got an iridescent colour shift. These are actually very pretty. I've never seen rhinestones this colour before. We've got a little butterfly there as well. Yeah, they've almost got a milkiness to them. Like an opal. And then we've got like what little tiny ones with no facets on them. Butterflies. Yeah, look at these big ones that have got no facets. They're actually very pretty. I like this love art. I've got a love art there that's got the little flick. Yeah, they've got a milkiness like an opal to them. Look at this with the purple going through it. Oh wow, they're actually very nice. I like the look of them. I'm getting a cat eye vibe off those. If you painted a black dot in the middle of that, you could use them as eyes, cat eyes. No, I like them. Very unique rhinestone mix. Right, we've got some more little rhinestoney things. I love little pots and stuff like this full of treasure. Let's tip these ones out. Alright, so this has got them little pink, they're like, kind of like glass shards. I like these little pointy back. Really pale pink little pointy back. These are good for making little clusters. We've got a sun. And moons. Big moons, little moons. Oh, these are nice. Look at these pink. These, they've got a kind of, again, they've got a slight milkiness to them. But they've got a really, like, I want to say like a gold kind of colour shift going through them. I do like these. Right, so this one's got the silver kind of shardy stone things and transparent rhinestones. Yeah, same mix, just different colour. I like the facets on these round ones. They're different. Lovely. Right, we've got a couple of pigments. I did receive an email off them saying they forgot to put labels on. These are actually magnetic pigments. Right, so they've both got an eyeshadow applicator. Yeah, I believe these are magnetic and you can use them like a chrome powder. Yeah, you can use them like a chrome powder. Ooh, so that's going to be a chameleon kind of chrome. It shifts from a blue to a purple. Very pretty. Yeah, you can use it like a chrome powder or a cat eye. And what you would do with this is mix it in with this mixing gel. I will show you at the end of the video what you can do with these. So we've got that one that shifts from a purple to a blue. And this one looks like it shifts from, this is kind of a goldy, greeny. Oh, look at this. They're very nice. So I will swatch them at the end of the video. I'll show you them as a chrome powder. And we'll try mixing them with the mixing gel. And they have provided a magnet as well. So we will definitely have a play with them in a minute. Right, what else have we got? GNDG correct and clean up. Oh right, okay. Dab along the cuticles to remove traces of nail lacquer. Right, so it's like a marker pen and it's got 3 little spare tips in the lid, can you see? So if this one gets gunked up, you can switch it out. So yeah, it's essentially a marker pen and it's got like nail polish remover in it. So if you get nail polish around your cuticles, you can just use that to, that would be good for stamping. A lot of the time you get stamping nail lacquer, stamping polish around your cuticles and you can just get rid of it. I'm not going to open it because I don't want the air to get to it. But yeah, that's cool. I like that. Right, oh, sugar. We have got a cuticle brush, cuticle oil. Not going to open that, I can see it's leaked. We have got, I like these. I do prefer these compact chromes to the pots. They're so much easier to store. Very nice. And we've got some foils. I do like these. I do like these. I have already got this one and this one and this one. I've got a few of these. I haven't got that one. I haven't got that one. And I haven't got this. This is nice. I like that. That's going to be beautiful for Easter time, springtime. I do like that. I like them. I do like this one. This one's different. Let's have a quick look at that. Yeah, I don't think I've seen that one before. I do like that. So we've got some foils as well. Right, everything else now is gels. So I'm going to clear my desk off. And we'll have a look what gels we got. and we'll have a little play with these cat eye pigments, see if they work. Right, so we'll leave them till last. Firstly, we've got what looks like 4 of their solid canned rubber, they call them. Solid canned rubber. Number 13, number 64, number 17, 24. Got a feeling I've got that. Let me check. No, I haven't got it. Right, and we've got... Oh, look at these fancy bottles. They're cute. They're very cute. So that must be number 16. Oh, wow. So this is an ultra fine shimmery gold, but it's got baby pink and baby blue tiny little specks, like tiny little hex. Oh, we'll swatch that in a minute anyway. That looks nice. And another one, this one looks like it might be number 288. Oh my gosh, look at this. So this is like a matte white, ultra fine matte white, but it's got red, couple of different types of blue. I think it might have dots in it or something. Right, that's very unique. Look at this. So I'm just going to stick some music on, guys, and get through these. So I'm going to do the gold one last, just because I struggle to get the glitter out of my brush. So I'm going to start with the lightest one and then work my way through. So this actually looks like it could be a milky white. So I'm just going to stick some music on and get through these quickly, guys. Right, so that's them 4 swatched. This one, I wouldn't say it's a white, it's a slightly off-white. It's exactly the same colour as the swatch stick. Really, really pale cream. But it's really nice. I like it. And then that is a kind of nudie colour. Love this green. It's like a turquoisey green, isn't it? I do like that. And then that's the gold. So they've all had 2 coats. They are very nice paints to use. There's one reason and one reason only why I don't use paints in pots like this, unless it's a colour that I really, really need. I haven't got time to keep cleaning my brush off in between colours, but they are very nice to use. If you're not creating content all day and you're not in a hurry, they are nice. So that's them 4. So let's have a look at these little gels. So this was number 288. I'm really curious for this. Right, so it's got big red hex, big blue hex, and it's got, gosh, it's got all sorts in there. It's got black hex. Yeah, little black hexagons. It's got a very fine white. And then it's got a tiny little minty green hex in there as well. Wow, this is unique. I've never seen anything like that before. All sorts in there. And then this one was number 16. So this is a really, really ultra fine, beautiful shimmery gold actually. But it's got baby pink in there. And the kind of metallic baby pink. And it's got the odd little minty green fleck in there. That's really unique as well. It's got loads of little pink bits, but can you see the odd little speck of minty green? That's very pretty. Different. So shall we have a play with these cat eye or magnetic pigments? So I've got a little palette. We'll start with this bluey green one. So I'm going to put a little bit of this mixing gel on my palette. And then I am going to put a little bit, you really don't need a lot. I'm going to put a little bit of this pigment in with it. A real little bit. Let's try that first. Let me zoom you in a bit. Let's see if that'll work. See if there's enough. Gosh, Guys, a tiny, tiny bit goes such a long way. Tiny bit goes such a long way. Let's give it a go. Right, so, yeah, cat eyes, they always apply better over a black, don't they? So, let's try it. Where's my magnet? There's my magnet. Tiny bit goes such a long way. Oh, wow, look at this. We'll try it as a chrome powder as well in a minute. See, that's beautiful just on its own like that. It's got a bluey, purpley colour shift. So let's try the magnet. Oh, wow. Guys. Oh, look at this. Oh, my gosh. Look at this stuff. Wow. Beautiful. Right, let's do that. Yeah, this one is that kind of cat eye that shifts from a kind of a goldy colour to a green. Look at that apply. Wow. It's got a gold green and I can see like a burgundy red as well. Wow, this has got really, really strong magnetic particles in it. It's a really, really good pigment actually. Stunning. So I'm just going to quickly show you what they would look like using them as a chrome powder. I've just done a little black strip on the top of this stick. So chrome powders really need to go over a no wipe top coat. So I'm just going to cure this in a lamp for 30 seconds. And I'm going to use the eyeshadow applicator that came with them and see what they look like as an actual chrome powder. So we'll go with this one first. Just rub it into that no wipe top coat. Oh wow, look at this. Such a versatile little product, isn't it? Really versatile. That applied beautifully. So smooth. I wish you could see the colour shifts that I could see, but yeah, you just can't. Right, and then we'll do this colour one. Oh gosh. Put far too much on there. Far too much. Look at this. Wow, look how smooth that's applied. Look at it. Love these. I could play with stuff like this all day long. Right guys, I'm just going to stick this in the lamp and then we'll have a quick recap on the gels and everything else that came in the January box. Right guys, so that is everything that came in the box. The gloves, we got the 2 little bling pots. I liked these. They were different. I do like them. I totally forgot we got the other chrome powder thingy-me-bobs. The foils, the gem picker with a lid. I do like a gem picker with a lid. And the stickers. Quickly show you the colours again. So that was the pigments that I just showed you. And that was the 4 solid gels that we got. And then that was the 2 Fancy Pants gel polishes. They are very unique. Never seen anything like this one especially. That's giving me 4th of July vibes. That's giving me 4th of July vibes for sure. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Don't forget, most of this stuff guys is available to purchase separately on the website, and you can use discount codes on the mystery boxes now. I have been told. Whether it works or not, I don't know, but I've been told by a couple of people that the code works on these boxes now, so definitely try it. I will leave the direct link to the January box in my description box. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.